Hello dear, how are you? I'm fine. Okay, let's go. Today discussion is a localhost XAMPP details component part to part. Okay, let's go. At first, open XAMPP control panel. Okay, open our XAMPP control panel. Now open a start Apache server and MySQL. You know, Apache server and MySQL is a very important of dynamically web design. That means run PHP script. Okay, open our browser and writing a localhost. This is our XAMPP control panel site, that means localhost site. Okay, this is a PHP version, PHP details, PHP future details. Configuration, this is a PHP configuration. HTTP, PHP version, okay, PHP MyAdmin. This is a main panel for working. Okay, PHP MyAdmin panel here. Create a table design. This is a table name writing. Okay, this is a database panel. Here design a database and database version. This is a mistake. Oh no, test already test database created. Just now test on and select database version, but this moment no select version. Okay, you know our test on database is created. Okay, test database. Now design a table. Okay, okay, MySQL. This is a MySQL panel, a status panel, user account review panel, export import panel, settings, okay, Okay, now create a one table in test1 database. Okay, this is the name of table and name of columns. See columns. Okay, just go. Okay, our table design panel. This is a columns name, data type, data length. Okay, at first column name ID name. City, no, F's name, here M names. Just this is a test. Next time to design a database based website creating project. So welcome. Just introducing PHP my admin panel all members. Okay, this is a data type select. Data type is a very important part. Data type is a integer, character, varchar, text, date and time, others need base. So integer is a number, complete number, text is a just text, varchar is a supported all data type. This is a data length, on data size, more big to do. Okay, no problem, no needed. This is a data type format, here no needed. I already use need base of project design. Okay, no problem. Just here message is integer data type, must maximum value 255. Okay, change data size. Okay, okay, our table design is completed. This is a our table field name, this is a type, everything. Okay dear, thanks for all, see you next